We are back with another Fanhome shipment, GT500 build, Eleanor from Gone in 60 Seconds. This book is number 7. So let's see what we got. So I've got a rear diff, pieces of the chassis, it looks like that's metal. Alright, another piece of the seat, let's get it going. First kit pack, 23, bottom part of the seat. We worked on the back in the last box. This one, take this piece here, this bottom plastic piece, and how does this go? I believe it goes like that. Slots in like that. Seat cushion. Snap that into place. Now we got some screws here. They were, I think, PSO5 plastic. This is plastic, so you don't want to over tighten them, just snug them down. 4 on the bottom. One. Two. Number 3. And our final screw, number 4. And we're going to knock out this whole box in this vid. Make sure that one's tight. Yeah, that one had a little bit left on it. That's good. I do like these seats. They're kind of cushiony. So we got our, I believe this is going to be our passenger seat. So we got 2 seats now. Ha! Alright. 23 is done. Done stamp on that. Getting into some fun stuff. Some pieces of the chassis. 24. Pack 24. What do we got? This is metal. We got some DSO2. D would stand for die cast metal. So a little tip on this, like we do with the Enterprise build, we're going to dip the tip into some oil. Here is what I use, 3-in-1. I think I've had that for over a decade or so. I don't even know what I originally got it for. It might have been for, I don't know what it was for. Anyway, what are we doing here? So we got, this is going to go there eventually. But for now, it's going on here. So we got this piece. And it looks like we want to flip it over, oriented this way. This is going to be oriented, looks like this. Okay, so that's how that goes on. Flip that guy back over. And we're going to put 4 screws in. 1, 2, 3, 4. And remember, dip the tip. That'll help it thread into the metal. Snug down. Dip the tip. I'm going to go ahead and do this other outside one on this far side. Decent amount of down pressure on this. Make sure that's fully seated. Screw number 3, dip the tip. That's right. Alright, hopefully everyone's doing good out there. Depending on when this vid hits, it may be Friday. And you'll be able to hopefully have a great weekend, or whenever you're watching this. Just remember, no matter where you go, there you are. Alright, that is done. Is that all for that one? It sure is. 24. Kit 24 is done. Moving on to Kit 25. I think I'll use this Wahoo Killer to slicey dicey. Deal with these staples. Alright, 25. What do we have? I'm going to set these extra screws aside. I'll put that there. This is that's plastic. Another part of the chassis, looks like our transmission tunnel there. So, where is this guy going? Something like this. Oh yeah. Something like that. Let's see if, there we go, it's seated down better. Cool. I like it when we start getting the frame built up. Kind of seems more like a car. Getting closer and closer. DS02s. So these are going into, even though this plastic is going into metal. So we're going to dip the tips. We got a lot of screws here. We got 1, 2, 3, 4. Gosh, I'll have to make sure I get them all. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. A lot. Let's get to it. Dip the tip. We're going to start at the front over here. Hopefully you got a decent view of this. I'm trying to work around this camera. This table over here, I just don't have great setup on it. Camera space. Actually, I'm going to move you over a little bit and get you a little bit angled. That'll help me out. Cranking my back over, trying to reach around this camera. Get another one on here. I've been watching the Vikings show. So there was the first one. I don't know what the second one's called. It's like the continuation, like 100 years after that first Viking show. It's on the Netflix. It's signed up for Netflix again for a little bit. Been binge watching that. I'm about to start season 3. It's crazy. Crazy. I didn't know if I'd like it. But I do. Kind of sucks you in. At least me. Anyone else watching Vikings or have watched it? Is that even going into anything? No. That was not the right hole. Where is this one supposed to go? Oh, up here. This little tabby's here. Tab there and there. Okay. Try this again over here. Got distracted by my own small talk. Dip, tip. I don't know if John Solar watches this. If he does, John Solar, drop me a comment. Let me know you're here. Everyone else, drop me a comment. Let me know you're here. Really helps me out. The old algorithm channel's been on live support for a long time because, yeah, it is what it is. But like, comment, subscribe, all that good jazz. These type of builds, maybe not for everybody, I don't know. But you get a box every month, supposedly. Now I got several boxes on the side over here because I took a hiatus from building on this GT500 for a little bit. Let the boxes stack up. Kind of more fun to do them all kind of at once. But you kind of want to open them, make sure you get all your pieces and stuff. So hopefully I don't run into any issues in the future. But I should be able to contact Fanhome if so. Alright, so I've done 2 there, 2 there, 2 there. And looks like, where is it going? Okay. Up here, up top here. Actually, I put links to this down in the description and stuff like that, but I think this kit may be on a... You may not be able to start this kit, which is kind of a bummer. If you are like me and you have it coming to you, you're going to get all your kits, but Fanhome does that. Sometimes they'll pause a kit and they won't take new orders. I think when I checked recently, it was wanting you to go get the new Batmobile or something like that. But I've seen that with the Enterprise too. Like, they did it for a little bit, then they paused it, saying they weren't doing any more new orders. Then all of a sudden they started doing new orders again. So I don't know. Maybe they need to build up supply or see if there's demand for it. You know, you may not like Gone in 60 Seconds, but just having a GT500. Of course, it's the Eleanor version, but it's going to be a cool display piece. All right, so I did that. I think I've got them all. And you know what that means. 25 is done. We got a super easy one left over here, because it doesn't even look like the full. They gave us like a partial differential and axle. Kind of weird, but I guess I got to spread her out. Let's see if I can get this opened. I do have a couple of things to do, or maybe. Alright, last pack in the box, 26. This, it's plastic. Man, that would have been cool if that was metal, but it's plastic. Gonna be more for, I guess, looking under the model once you're done. Part of a diff housing, possibly. And we're gonna take, comes with these screws. What are these? PSO 8s. You're gonna take 2 of these out. They have kind of a big head on them. And according to the instructions, I like these books, but there is no words. It's just all pictures. It's telling me to screw these 2 things in to the differential housing cover, and that's it. So, not really holding anything together. Maybe, since it's plastic, so maybe since just going to snug it down lightly. Yeah, maybe because it has this kind of built-in washer head, it'll kind of be we'll slip another piece under it, I bet. Hopefully in the next box. I don't like having these extra little parts hanging around. I don't even know if I was on camera there, but that's that. That's what it looks like. So that's done. Alright, well, we did it. We have completed book 7. Stay tuned for number 8 sooner than later, because I have it sitting on the shelf over there. A few boxes behind. I got several boxes behind, which is nice. So maybe do some more building. But thanks for watching, commenting, subscribing, sharing the vid, whatever. Much appreciated.